Part 3, we're going to look at adding audio sound effects in, so loops and things that you might find on YouTube if you need to look for anything that you can't find in the library. I will say, however, that there are lots of sounds that we have available on our computers without needing to go to YouTube. So if I open up Finder for a starter and go to here, you'll see there's a resources folder on our devices. So if I click on there, there's a folder specifically there called sound effects. Now I'm going to open up our library over here and then go back to, Finder. And what you can do, to make sure that you have got these sounds available, you can drag and drop these into our library, and it should come up with the add button. And what I'm going to ask you to do here is, once you've done that, is select onto access them from their current location. Okay, so then you should be able to go up here, and if I'm looking for things like footsteps, you can hear I can find some footsteps. Okay, now I'm going to incorporate that into my film here. I know at the end up here I've got a bit where I can find some, I need some footsteps for the penguin. Now you can see there sort of works, and you might want to sort of tidy that up a little bit there. But what you can actually do is become quite specific. Now I've got a couple there that I maybe want to even fade that in a little bit. So show automation. And just fade the footsteps in a tiny bit, so it sounds like he's moving towards us. And let's have a look. I need a jump there. I'm a little bit early for all that sort of stuff. Let's have a look. Something like jump. And my volume's not really that good there. I could maybe extend that out like that. Right, that's not bad. So that's how you might add some audio effects as well. Okay, I'll leave you. So that should all be available there. Use the search area well, and you should have no problems. Okay, thank you.